Hello all traders. Today is Thursday, 20th of March 2025, and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was going up above the previous day close, and during the London session it started to go down, and after the news release it started to go up again and past the previous day close. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price after New York market opening continued to go up. So our plan of action was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when there is a pullback, take a long position in this well-established uptrend, or if the price reach this level of resistance and I start to go down, take a sell short position in a well-established downtrend. So the first scenario happened, and when I came back around 10 o'clock, the price was in uptrend here and was trying to test the previous day close on Nasdaq and all E-minis, and had a good momentum and a strong buying pressure here, as you see from cumulative delta. So I took long position with setup T during this pullback and add to the position on Nasdaq, and also took one long position on Dow Jones and another long position on S&P 500 during this wave of uptrend, and all these positions were closed in the upper area of the channel with profit, as you see here. And since we reached the daily target quickly, I finished trading on this account for the day. And you can see here the statistics of the trades on this account, which shows it was positive with profit factor of 99, which is infinite and cannot be calculated properly because we reached 100% win rate from the 6 long positions taken, with the average winning trades of $299 and the largest winning trade of $470. So that's a summary of the trades I have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And for the small 5K CFD prop firm accounts, I had some trades on the DAX index during the London session and Nasdaq and S&P 500 during the New York market session, and reached a total balance of $114, and I'm going to update you on a weekly basis each Friday. So I hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures and CFD prop firm accounts are useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.